From doing face-to-face batches, doing a lot of solving case studies and n number of things just to start loving and liking IBC. But still couldn't do it, but somehow managed in second attempt and cleared my IBC. Hi, I'm Ritika and welcome to my channel. Firstly, I used to consider IBC as a burden, but my friends actually helped a lot to clear my subject. We used to study in group study and that actually helped us a lot. But I'll tell you exactly what I did personally to help and overcome the fear of IBC. एक सबसे most important चीज that actually helped me in IBC is making your notes easier. समझो तुम्हारे notes में it is written like 3 paragraphs about one topic. Then I used to highlight कि ये चीज ही important है. यहाँ I used to write point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. If you know that in exam, if any questions come from this topic, you have to do is just write 3 points. The most important thing about IBC is to understand that IBC is not about learning sections. It's about understanding the process. The process goes default, application, moratorium, resolution, professional appointment, COC appointment, then resolution plan, and lastly liquidation. If you understand this process, then you can understand and start getting into what exactly the IBC is. Just rely on one notes either which ways. If you read one notes multiple times, it's going to help you in the learning procedure. But if you read 10,000 notes one time, it's going to make you confused. The most difficult part about IBC is case laws. There are n number of case laws and to understand and to remember those case laws is a burden. There are few case studies that are very important जो काफी सारे chapters में repeat होती है. Just stick to it and learn that. And mostly focus करो understanding पे. Next point is how to manage time in exams. Because you need time to read 3-4 pages का question. So what I did and how it worked for me. Directly starts with reading the sub questions, like the questions that come for 5 marks. If you need that you have to read the story, then only go to read the story. Debtor ने क्या किया, creditor ने क्या किया, ये सब important तब होगा when your question is related to it. If your question is write the definition of financial something, so what you need to do is find immediately in your book and just write it off. You don't need to read the story. So understand this perspective one. To summarize for you all, few things that you need to do. 1, अपने नोट्स को जितना क्लियर एंड कट टू द पॉइंट बना सकते हो, मेक कट टू द पॉइंट टू ऑल योर नोट्स. Secondly, do smart revision. Don't keep reading bare act and notes. Make your own notes. Third, don't carry 10,000 books to exam. Carry just relevant books that you need for your exam, because in exam you don't get time to read all and open all the books. All you need to do is just write and finish off paper, and reading the questions of 3 to 4 pages take a lot of time. So to avoid confusion, carry just few books. If you have any specific doubts, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.